My work is all about developing drugs for people with HIV. Unfortunately, the same people are always underrepresented in clinical trials. And these are women, pregnant women, people from racially minoritized backgrounds, and trans people. What I would like to do within SHARE is find ways of engaging meaningfully with everybody so that the research that we do is relevant to everybody.
So as a gay man who grew up in the 1990s, the fight against HIV has always been something I've been very passionate about. And as a doctor, I'm proud to be delivering research towards a HIV cure. But during my training and working in East London, I'm well aware that the HIV epidemic involves people and groups beyond men who have sex with men. And often these groups are disenfranchised and underrepresented in HIV cure and HIV clinical research. So I'm really excited to be part of SHARE, where we can deliver basic science research and HIV cure research to all people living with HIV beyond the usual groups that we think about, like MSM.
As an HIV clinician, I'm still seeing people on the wards with AIDS-defining conditions that we used to see in the 1980s. And these tend to be people who are diagnosed late or not able to attend clinic regularly or take their treatment regularly. And they're often from marginalised communities who are clearly not benefiting from the gains with HIV treatment that we've had over the years. With SHARE, I'm really excited about the work that we're going to do to look at the barriers to care for marginalised communities and to look at how we can really address them to make sure they have the same access to care as everyone else.
As the daughter of first-generation Ghanaian immigrants and also being born and raised in East London, I have witnessed firsthand the impact of having different opportunities to have good health. My clinical work and research has been focused on trying to achieve health equity for all, rooted in the belief that everyone deserves a fair and just opportunity to achieve good health. SHARE matters to me because we will be delivering research to understand the root causes of health inequalities, but also developing treatment and prevention interventions to respond to these inequalities, to ensure that we achieve health equity for all.
What does SHARE mean to me? Well, as a clinician who's worked in HIV for many years and seen the ravages it can cause, this is an opportunity to actually make sure that we use the tools, the knowledge and the opportunities to make sure that HIV doesn't stand in the way of anybody having a healthy, long life, whoever they are, wherever they live. And health inequalities need to become a thing of the past. The SHARE Collaborative gives us the opportunity to do that, and that's why it's so important. SHARE.
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 SHARE.